Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a pumpkin. Let's start off by drawing a really big and tall oval for the first segment of the pumpkin, followed by a backward C shape on the right side for the next segment. Then, draw another C shape to the right of that for another one. Mirror those for the other side of the pumpkin. And for the stem, draw a line that curves up, turns a corner and goes across, and turns another corner and curves back down like so. Then, add some bumps to the left and right of the stem for the segments on the other side. And one more bump that goes behind the stem like so. On the stem, mirror the flat top underneath like this. Lastly, add some wrinkly lines along the stem for some texture. And now you've got a pumpkin!